This is a story about a board that became a cow. Yeah, you'll see. Hi, yeah, 2:30 on a Sunday, making another shadow box. This one's really cool. It's a cow. I'm gonna take you along and show you how I did it. I'm setting this up for a 1/4 inch so I get a nice thin piece of wood. Now that she's all set up, time to resaw. Okay, resawing is undoubtedly the best part because you kind of open up the boards and see what they look like. The rest is just kind of tedious, but still fun to watch. So off to the drum sander. To the right thickness, but I still want a nice smooth finish. Time to switch to 220 grit sandpaper. Okay, so I know we aren't going to use all of the boards that I showed you, but we're going to use that really cool, it looks like tiger stripes. It's actually called curly maple, and it's one of my favorites. So this is the board we're going to turn into the cow. Kind of represents, like, you know, those Jersey cows, how they have really kind of short, smooth fur. Listen, just watch. You'll see how it comes together. All right, this is where it all really starts to come together. Grab a coffee, put in a new scroll saw blade, sit back, enjoy. Let's make this thing come to life. Okay, well, I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. We got a lot done today. More to come. I'm sitting on a whole pile of boxes that, I don't know, it's got some exciting stuff, so that'll be in the next video. Keep an eye out, like, subscribe, the whole nine. Check it out. See you next time.